Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. This is my sweet doggy Charlie. Today you have landed on day 4 of Empowered, your 5-day walking challenge. Today our mantra is I am balanced. You don't need any fancy equipment. Maybe grab a chair or a wall for some added support. And when you're ready, slip on your sneakers and let's get started. All right, my friends, so here we are. We're walking in place. This is our home base, one of our basic moves. We walk in place, and I'm going to set my watch. We're only here 10 minutes. Today, all of our challenge for these 5 days are 10-minute walks, so something very manageable, something that you can stick with for consistency in your wellness journey. So get started in your walk. Just want to say thank you so much for returning. Sometimes the hardest part is just getting started. So you click play, you slipped on your sneakers, you got your water close by, maybe a walking buddy, and you're ready to rock and roll. 10 minutes, it goes by really fast. So let's just get moving. Walk in place. Let's show you the next move. It's a side step. You know this. Here we go. Out and back. Engage your hip muscles. Maybe sink it down a little bit. You're ready to go. I hope you are. I sure am. Had my coffee this morning. Got to snuggle with my puppy this morning. Doesn't get much better than that. We're here for 3, 2, and 1. Return back home. Walk it out. So today I just want you to kind of connect a little deeper with your body. So can you feel your feet as it presses on the earth? So feeling your feet as you connect here on the ground. Can you root down here? So relax your shoulders away from the ears. Maybe find a gentle lift in your heart. Start to notice where your breath sits today. How is your breathing? So always check in there. Maybe your breath is high up in your chest or even low in your belly, and there's no right or wrong. Just feel where the breath is. And notice your thoughts. Where are your thoughts headed? Are you connected here? Are you fully present in your workout? Or are your thoughts in, like, cloudland floating over here? Can you connect here? Be fully present and centered in this moment. Nice. We're going to take our knee lifts. So lift and lift. Belly's engaged. Core is engaged. Maybe get the arms up here. Reach and reach. Feel some length through your spine. And check in. Always being mindful. What's my body asking me? What's my body telling me? What do I need in this moment? Changing all the time. For 3, 2, and 1, return to your walk. Strap. Check on my microphone there. Make sure it's still working. Nice, and keep walking here. Our next move is a kick. Get the arms involved right away. We're going to reach both arms as you kick the legs. As always, maybe your legs don't go up as high as mine. Maybe they go higher. Just see what works for you. If these single leg balancing moves are a little too much, you can have that chair close by. Nice. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, return to your walk. Nice. If you're watching this in real time, I created this video series for the month of January. So it's a kickoff to the new year. So I just want to wish you Happy New Year. Great job to try something different. Explore this challenge. Start your new year off on the right foot. Nice job. So we just did our 4 basic moves. That was easy, right? It gets easier each day. Nice job. So we're going to incorporate some balancing moves here. We're going to check on our time. Nice. We're right at 3.5 minutes. It's a great warm up. We'll get into the meat of this practice. Nice job. So first mini move, different move, it's going to be a step back. So ground through one foot, step and step, just alternating taps back. Nice. Maybe get both arms reaching or just one arm reach. And feel the length from the crown of the head all the way down to your heel. When you reach back, can you get really long here? Maybe you reach the arms up for just an added challenge. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Return back to your walk. Punch it out. Let's practice some modified jumping jacks. It's a toe tap. We're going to reach both arms up. So, toe tap, toe tap. Nice. Do you feel like smiling today? Move your body in a healthy way every day. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to that walk. Walk it out. We're already halfway through. We're just hitting 5 minutes right now. Walk, walk, walk. Okay, for this next move, I am going to grab a chair. You might want to do the same. You can pause the video or just stand close to a piece of furniture. Okay, so this is a really nice one to activate our hip muscles. As always, I talk about these muscles of independence, so you will be feeling this. You can start on either side. I like to think of it as stepping over a gate. So really getting some range of mobility in our hips. Watch it. Join me when you're ready. We're going to lift and up. Yeah, we're doing this a few times on the same side. You could practice floating fingers off the chair for that added challenge. Nice job. We're here for 3, 2, and 1. Nice. March it out. Well done. Walk it out. Let's switch this to the other side. And as always, listen to your body. Your body is incredible. You're receiving all these messages, what you need in this moment. So I'm merely a guide here, but you are your own teacher. So please listen to those messages you're receiving. And if you need to skip any of these moves, feel free to just return to your walk here. Nice. Let's give this a try on the other side. So stepping over your gate, firmly press into one foot, and then the other leg up and over. Up and over. Keep it going. Your leg might be just lifting a little bit off the ground. Maybe it's a really small gate today. Maybe it's a bigger gate. See what works for you. For 3, 2, 1. Well done, my friend. Walk it out. Set that guy over here. Keep going. Take our side steps. Let's do double, so use the space that you have. We'll step and step, back and forth. Get your arms reaching high to the sky. We're going to pull down, keep going. Oh, yeah. Nice job. Take up as much space as you possibly can today. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to your walk. Walk it out. 7.5 minutes in. Yes, just a few minutes ago here. Keep moving. All right, another challenging move. So it's a kick. We're gonna clap under our arm or under our leg. Okay. Watch it. If you're like, nah, that's not working, just clap above your leg. Okay. Here we go. Lift and lift. Can you slow this down? Add that little element of challenge. I definitely feel this in my core today. We got 8 of these. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to your walk. Well done. Breathe. Take some big circles with the arms. So watch this. Join me when you're ready. Big shapes. Keep it in one direction either way. Check in with your breath. Maybe blow out some air. You can take your talk test. Just try to say 5 or 6 word sentence. If you're not too winded, you're in good shape. Reverse those other way. If you are too winded, grab some water, take a break, come back when you're ready. Nice job. For 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Shake it out, let it go. Walk it out. Move your body and have some fun. Well done. Nice job. Let's get our knees up and lift up and up, up and up. Your home workout does not need to be complicated, right? Don't need a bunch of fancy moves to make your body well, healthy, strong, capable, balanced. So many great things come from just this dynamic walk. Here we are, 3, 2, and 1. Return here. And so many studies show a short, brief walk, 5-10 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, has numerous, I may have made that word up, but numerous benefits, unlimited benefits. It includes helping reduce stress, create some clarity, mental focus, clarity. Of course, improves your balance, reduces stress, so increases endorphins. Yeah, I could go on and on. I'm not going to bore you. Nice, but what you're doing today, you're creating a ripple of positive change in your body, in your life, and that transpires to everything else you do throughout the rest of the day. So keep going. Nice job. Blow out that air. All right, we're coming up on 10 minutes. We're 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. We did it. 10 minutes in the books for the day. Don't skip your cool down, okay? Go ahead and slow it down. Plant your feet. Whew, find your breath. Whatever that means to you. Let's practice some neck rolls. We're going to drop the chin towards the chest. And drop one ear towards one shoulder. Keep that shoulder soft. We have a tendency to want to raise up. Let's keep it soft here. Chin to chest. And then opposite ear towards opposite shoulder. One more time. Here we go. Chin to chest. Ear to shoulder. And chin to chest. Ear to opposite shoulder. Well done. Go ahead and find that chair again and practice a little balancing move. So placing the chair on either side. If you're following along, this is my left side, okay? So plant through the foot closest to the chair. We're going to start to lift the opposite knee up, coming into that knee lift. In yoga, we learn this as one-legged mountain pose. And then from here, you might spin that hip open, and that might be enough, or you might place the foot, kickstand the foot, so place it on the inside of the opposite ankle, or slide that foot up the inseam of the leg. So key here is leveling out the pelvis. Maybe you've been through that standing leg. And then see what your hands want to do. We learn this in yoga as our traditional tree pose. Nice job. So play around with the hands, thinking of them as branches to your tree, right? Maybe hands to your heart. Maybe you keep one hand on the chair. Maybe you send both of your branches to the sky. Find a softness here in your breath. 3, 2, and 1. Let it go. Maybe shake it out. We'll just flip that chair on the other side if you got the chair. If not, that's cool. And we'll press into the standing foot. Come up into one-legged mountain pose. That might be enough. Play with your balance. And maybe spin that knee open. Find that kickstand. Or grow that foot up the inseam of the leg. Nice. And then once you find that footing, that balance, you get to play with your hands. Have some fun here. 3, 2, and 1. Let it go. Shake it on out. We'll set that over to the side. We'll finish up with an angel breath. Ground through your feet. Inhale, sweep your arms tall. And exhale, drop the hands down, let it go. Day 4 is in the books, my friend. I am so proud of you. Do not stop this momentum. We have 1 day left, and you got this. We're going to make this, create this positive change together. And yeah, let's make it happen. I'll see you tomorrow for day 5. Thanks so much. See you soon.